Hello everyone, welcome again to Applied Linguistics 1. In this video, we are going to talk about the third chapter in the reading material, which is about second language acquisition. In the previous video, we have mentioned that second language acquisition started as a subfield of applied linguistics, and that it has started to gain some independence from the field of applied linguistics by creating its own journals, international conferences, and associations. So, what is it exactly that we mean by second language acquisition? Second language acquisition is the process of learning any language after learning the mother tongue or the first language. The term second is not used here in its literal meaning. It can refer to a second, third, fourth, or even a fifth language. Generally speaking, second language acquisition refers to the process of learning a non-native language after the native language or mother tongue has been learned. Second language acquisition can take place either in a natural social environment or in a formal classroom setting. Research in second language acquisition examines the process of learning another language after the native language has been learned, either in a natural social environment or in a formal language classroom. Second language acquisition research is also interested in identifying the various factors that affect the language learning processes, either positively or negatively. Second language acquisition adopts an interdisciplinary perspective that is opened on several other fields of human knowledge, including sociology, psychology, education, and linguistics. So, why is it important for us to study second language acquisition? Well, the study of second language acquisition has many benefits. First, it helps us to better understand how the human mind works. Second language acquisition provides insights into the cognitive and metacognitive processes that help in receiving, processing, and forming language. Second, through examining learners' output, researchers can understand how language rules are formulated. Third, studying second language acquisition contributes to improving cross-cultural communication by eliminating pre-existing stereotypes that often manifest through language. Most importantly for us language teachers, second language acquisition offers opportunities to develop language teaching pedagogies that are informed by new discoveries of how different factors affect language learning. But what does a theory mean? A theory is a statement that explains why phenomena happen in the way they do. It serves to make predictions or hypotheses about what would happen under specific conditions. A theory enables researchers to generalize the findings. Each theory presents a number of keywords which we call constructs. For instance, different second language acquisition theories present some specific definitions to language. The behaviorist theory defines language as a human behavior. Chomsky's universal grammar defines language as a mirror of the mind, and the social constructivist theory sees language as a social phenomena. Therefore, as second language acquisition students, we need to understand that even if these theories use the same terms, they mostly define these terms in different ways. In addition, a theory may present several testable hypotheses. For instance, Krashen's monitor theory includes 5 hypotheses, and Chomsky's theory of universal grammar has the critical period hypothesis. All other theories include hypotheses that could be tested in various situations and conditions, and eventually they are either confirmed or refuted. It is often observed that second language acquisition students often get confused when they realize that there are several theories in the field of second language acquisition. One possible reason for such diversity in theories is that second language acquisition is a complex phenomenon. Different researchers investigate second language acquisition from different perspectives, and this leads to different observations, explanations, and hence different theories. Second language acquisition is a complex phenomenon that allows for the interference of several internal and external factors. There are theories that focus on the role of external factors, such as the role of the environment, the role of the interaction with people, the role of the difference between the native language and the second language being learned. Other researchers focus on internal factors, be they cognitive, such as the role of learning strategies, or emotional, as the role of motivation, or even biological, as the influence of age. In sum, one can say that investigating second language acquisition is to a great extent reminiscent of the fable of the elephant and the blind man. Each one of the blind men is holding a part of the elephant and describes only the part they are holding. Each one thinks that they are right according to their own personal experience, yet no one actually provides a comprehensive explanation to the phenomena at hand. For instance, the behaviorist theory provides an explanation of the role of the environmental stimuli. The cognitive theory provides an explanation for the role of cognitive and metacognitive strategies. The language acquisition device provides an explanation for the role of a biological mental device and how it is affected by age. Thus, each theory is looking at the different part of the complex phenomena, which is that of second language acquisition. Each one of them is both right and wrong. It is right because its explanation of the part is valid, and it's wrong because it's not a comprehensive account of the phenomena, and it ignores the other parts. As students of second language acquisition, we need to take all these theories into account in order to develop a comprehensive understanding of how second language acquisition works. As researchers, it will be impossible to investigate all of these elements at a time. That's why researchers need to specialize again in one single aspect of second language acquisition. Before we finish this video, I'd like to remind you of some key abbreviations that are commonly used in the field of second language acquisition. First, you have NL or the L1. These refer to the mother tongue or to the native language or the first language. The TL refers to the target language or the language being learned. L2 means the second language, any language learned after learning the L1, regardless of whether it is second, third, fourth, or fifth language. I'm going to introduce different second language acquisition theories. See you then.